Hi, this is Michael Summers with Summers Flooring and Design. I wanted to tell you 3 reasons why you need to have vinyl plank flooring in your properties if you are a rental owner or a property manager. So number 1, right now we have this crazy time where everybody's closed. A lot of rental properties aren't available, or you're not allowed to rent them out. So we got downtime, perfect time for upgrades. So you have carpet that needs cleaned or replaced, or you have floors that need refinishing or top coated. Instead, you can do something like this vinyl plank. So we've actually laid these out right onto real hardwood floors so you can see just exactly how convincing they are. The patterns, the colors, the texture, the sound, it all is legitimate. So you can replace all those things that typically cause maintenance issues. Pets is a big one. A lot of pet damage. Stains in carpets from wine, from various things. You know, vacation rentals, people are here to have fun. They bring their pets, they bring their outdoor equipment. They don't want to have to fuss about floors, and neither should you. So you want to put something in that's super durable, that doesn't require any maintenance down the road, that's very, very, very difficult to scratch or dent or mess up. It's waterproof, so you don't have water damage, and you don't have to have the downtime. So you pull out the existing flooring. Sometimes you can go right over the top of the existing flooring. So it's all about keeping as many of those revenue days as you can in place. So really the idea is to make your floors bulletproof. Then you don't have to worry about damage deposits and trying to track down different things with customers. It's really a great added value to your property. So you pull out other floors, this actually adds a ton of value to your house because you don't have any maintenance costs in the future. With hardwood, we end up having to top coat, we end up having to refinish. Refinish, that's 5 or 6 days that you're closed, you're down. That's a big deal. So you don't ever have to mess with anything like this. Awesome colors, really legitimate visuals. So really, you gotta check these out. It's kind of a no-brainer for any kind of rental property management owner or manager. So get onto our website, summerswoodfloors.com or summersdiy.com. We've got a visualizer actually where you can take pictures of your rental and take a photo of it and actually scroll through different products and see exactly how those products would look in your place. Amazing. And then if you wanted to check out samples based on those visuals, just let us know. We'll have them outside. We have curbside pickup for you right now. So just let us know. We'll have it ready to go. summerswoodfloors.com, summersdiy.com.